Light was supposed to be instant, so why was the universe suddenly running late? On a cold night in 1676 in Copenhagen, the sky looked calm. Jupiter hung bright and steady, its moons ticking like a celestial clock. Astronomers trusted those moons the way sailors trusted stars. Their movements were predictable, reliable, perfect, until they weren't. Ole Rømer, a young Danish astronomer, noticed something unsettling. One of Jupiter's moons, Io, kept missing its cue. Sometimes it emerged from Jupiter's shadow exactly on time. Other nights it was late, not by seconds, by minutes. At first it felt like an error, a bad telescope, a miswritten note. After all, light didn't hesitate. Everyone knew that. Light was immediate, divine, instant. But the delays kept growing. Rømer began to sense a pattern, not in the moon, but in Earth itself. When Earth moved closer to Jupiter, the moon's eclipses arrived early. When Earth drifted farther away, they arrived late, again and again. A cosmic rhythm that refused to be ignored. Here was the terrifying possibility. The moon wasn't late, the light was. Imagine standing in the dark, watching a distant lantern. Each step you take backward, the glow reaches you just a little later. Not because the lantern changed, but because distance matters. In an age without stopwatches or lasers, Rømer made a daring leap. He proposed that light travels at a finite speed, and that the delay came from the extra distance light had to cross as Earth moved through its orbit. This wasn't a small correction. It shattered a belief as old as philosophy itself. In front of Europe's greatest minds, Rømer predicted the future. He announced that an upcoming eclipse of Io would appear 10 minutes late. If he was wrong, his idea would collapse. If he was right, the universe would never feel the same. The night arrived. Astronomers watched. They waited. The moment passed. Nothing. Then, right on Rømer's schedule, Io slipped into view. The room fell silent. Light, the fastest thing imaginable, had limits. Though Rømer never calculated the exact number we know today, he proved something far more profound. The universe runs on measurable rules. Even light obeys distance. Even the heavens are not instantaneous. From that realization came everything. Modern astronomy, relativity, the understanding that time and space are woven together. A reminder that reality is deeper, stranger, and more beautiful than intuition allows. All from a moon that arrived late. If you enjoyed this story, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. It truly helps the channel grow. And leave a comment below. What other hidden rules of the universe should we uncover next?